How to document a module. So when you create a module, you might want to document it. You might want to say what each of the function does and what uh, the module overall does. So for that, the best solution is writing whatever comments you have, whatever hints you have in triple quotes. I'll show you an example here. So I write triple quotes, and I write this is the module. This module contains functions to perform arithmetic operations on numbers. Now I can write something. I can write a hint or whatever within the add function the similar way in triple quotes. So here I can write accepts two numbers, int or float. And returns the sum of the two numbers. And now in the main function I can write accepts input from the user and calls add function. So this is how you can write. It's very useful to use documentation when you have a module with a lot of functions and a lot of complicated operations, etc. So it helps you to keep a track of what you have done, what operations the module does. This way it is structured nicely and you can easily understand what the module is intended to do. In this video, we have learned how to document a module created in Python.